So we're going to take this 2005 Chevy, there's a bottle of hydrogen right here, and we're going to run this truck on hydrogen. We're going to disconnect the fuel pump relay. After we turn the hydrogen on, wait for the fuel to run out, and then watch it continue to run on hydrogen and see how it performs. We disconnected the fuel pump relay. The fuel pump relay, as shown right here on the cover. Wait till that gasoline quits pumping, which is usually a minute. We're going to show you right here. So that's where we're pumping hydrogen into the engine. This way we don't blow up an intake. As you can see, we got our fuel tank here. Good old fancy hydrogen. We're running on that right now. Now the goal is, once we get it to run consistent, we're gonna see how long we can run on that bottle. And once we run the whole bottle out, we get it refilled, and maybe we can get some mileage out of it and go from there. All right, right now, the fuel pump relay, which I showed you, has already been disconnected. The fuel pump relay is gone. If I shut off this bottle of hydrogen, this engine will stop running. Ready? Here we go. That's it. All right, we're gonna put this, the fuel pump relay is back in. We turn the key off, turn the key back on. She's now running back on petroleum. So, one more time. Hydrogen. Fuel pump relay. Oh, there it is. 100% hydrogen.